Hello guys, welcome to Moviesium YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you top 10 tips and tricks to crack your class 10 board exams. Tip number 1. Create a study timetable. A well-constructed timetable establishes a natural rhythm and routine which can be comforting to students. Advantage of creating a timetable helps organize your important study time and it schedules your break when you have different subjects to study. Tip number 2. Organize your study space. It's important for students to find or create a study space that meet their needs and contribute to positive learning environment. If your desk or study space is messy, keep it clean and organized, which can help you to focus on your studies. It can help you to create enough space to arrange your books and important study materials. Also make a habit of studying in the same space. Tip number 3. Make a to-do list. When you write down all your tasks in a list, they seem more manageable. When you have got a clear outline of the tasks you have to do and those you have completed, it helps you stay focused. The main reason students should prepare a to-do list is to be systematic and very organized. In to-do list, you can list your activities to be finished within the time period you have scheduled. Tip number 4. Avoid distractions and unwanted thoughts. Getting away from distractions can allow you to think more clearly, to quieten your inner thoughts, so you can really focus on your intuition and solid thoughts. Avoid those pressurized thoughts which can affect your study badly. Tip number 5. Create your own effective study techniques. By actively developing good study skills and learning strategies, you will keep your motivation high and achieve your goal more efficiently and easily. One effective technique means the process of studying. For example, you can study the small lessons first and bigger later, or use short forms to remember. This can help you study comfortably. Tip number 6. Practice mock test. Mock test papers are designed in a way that they cover almost every important topic of syllabus. Hence, solving them will help students in getting a complete revision of syllabus regularly. Practice sample papers in an exam environment. Solve it seriously by setting the timer and try to solve it earlier before time. It can help you perform better in real exams. Tip number 7. Thoroughly revise easy chapters. When students are make somewhere down in their board test arrangement, they sort out the trouble level of every syllabus. Till up in the air, students should not leave any stone unturned in their exam. Read and learn the simple subjects as they will end up being the most scoring for their board exam, as it takes less time to go through the easy chapters. Tip number 8. Take regular breaks. Taking breaks has been proven to be beneficial while recovering from stress, which can in turn improve your performance. Breaks are very important. If you are studying for few hours, you should at least take 5 to 10 minutes break. In the break, you can have a walk or do some physical activities too. It helps in relaxing your mind and you can remember your answers more efficiently. Tip number 9. Highlight important points. Highlighting each and every point is not the way to study. Students will always highlight those points which are important and most likely to appear in their exams. Difficult subjects like science, math, physics, they have the most important lessons. To remember important points, you can highlight those with a marker in a book or a computer laptop. You can also jot down all the formulas on a separate page which can be used as a last minute revision for your exam. So you can find out the crucial topics or points easily. Last but not the least, tip number 10. Learn from your mistakes. Understand what you did wrong and make sure that you don't repeat those mistakes again. Everyone makes mistakes, but you should learn from them. What you can do is give a mock test, identify your faults in your practice papers or tests, and try to correct them in your next attempt. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all like it. Please share your valuable comments and we will be back soon with some more educational videos. Subscribe to our Moviesium YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from moviesium.com.